Okay, for those who are feeling adventurous and they want to do, they're doing a spell with that has the incense and the prayer, and they also want to add a candle. So say you want to do the Never Have Money Worries Again spell kit, and you want to burn the jackpot candle, or you can burn the spell candle for the money spell. Depends what kind of where you want to get your money from. Jackpot, hit your wrist fast. This is the, people like this one, but this is the ones that steady, get the money rolling steady and never have money worries again. Period. Listen, if you hit the jackpot, you'll never have money worries again. Also, there's all kinds of roads to get to Rome. Okay, so if you want to double the two together, what you're going to do is you're going to put your incense on the censer first. Get that ready. I'm going to do that real quick. Everybody knows how to do that. Get the little shovel, make the shovel straw. We send you with the incense, put it on here. Push it together. Now, I kind of always, there's no set way of doing this really. Some people, there's the prayer in the here, okay? So the prayer is on a little scroll, remember that? Remember, don't throw this away. Take a picture of it, put it in your email. Keep it, because I'll make you pay for it again if you lose it. Okay, so now we've got the words, we've got the candle, we've got the incense. We've got the timer, because we're going to time the burn time of the candle. Set it for 7 minutes. Okay, where's the fire? Oh, the matches. So what we're going to do, when this is the kind of the rhythm for what doing the words and the candle together. Light the incense first. Always light the incense first. Then light the candle. Then set the timer. Go. Then say the words out loud 3 times. We've done this before. Say the words out loud 3 times. Don't go too far away because the candle's going to go out. Well, not the timer's going to go off, okay? Don't go too far away. But when you hear the timer go off, you come over and you turn the timer off, of course, and you snuff out the candle, and then you're done for the day. Or maybe you might want to burn it again at night before you go to bed. Whatever rhythm you set up, remember it's going to be, you're going to burn the candle for 7 minutes the first time, 11 the second, 7 the third, 11 the fourth. Rotate the burning time. But that's the order. Light the incense, light the candle, set the timer, say the prayer 3 times, wait till the bell rings on the timer, snuff out the candle, then go about your day. You've done what you're supposed to do. And then do it again, whatever rhythm you set up for yourself. I hope that makes sense. If not, you can call me on the phone. All right, good luck.